Hi everyone, this is cronjob from S Cubed. I'm back. I will probably start making videos very soon. But this one, my teacher gave me a homework. That's why I'll have to make this video. The homework is to create a 4 plus GB database and create a dump file of that, a backup of that video, and write a cron job which will do that automatically every day. So let's start. To do that, he asked us to do it on Linux because cron jobs are Linux package. I installed a Linux system in one of my servers and I'm going to SSH to it. Okay, so you can see the database has so the OS is Ubuntu 18.04.3, the VM's OS is. Now first thing first, you'll have to install MySQL to create a MySQL database. So it's given on this article. You can look into it. It's very simple. You'll just have to run these three commands and follow through, and that's it. Then you'll have to create a database. It's very simple. Go to log into MySQL, create a new user, then create a database into that. It's very simple. I don't want to cover that in this topic. What I'll cover is how to create how I created the 4.5 GB database. So I installed MySQL Workbench in my Windows computer and SSH to the server. So this is the server. I SSH to it. So this is me SSHing to the server. Then I'm logging into the MySQL server. So this is me logging into the MySQL server too. So I'm done. Okay. So first thing first, I'll show you the size of the database I created. The size of the database is this database. I created this database, test database. So the size of this database is 4.7 GBs. You can see it here. And if you want to see the database, what's the data? It's just lorem ipsum. I created around 30 columns, and each column has 500 bytes of lorem ipsum, and the first is an ID. That's it. So it has a lot of columns. I don't want to like overload the server. It's probably more than 50,000, or I don't know. I made it run 1 million times. I'm pretty sure it didn't run 1 million times. This is the Python script I wrote. So it only works for MySQL Workbench. It imports GRTs. It is generic runtime. It works for MySQL Workbench only. It can be modified to run on any UI. I'll do that later. Okay, so this is the query string. The query string is adds this lorem ipsum. Then I wrote this while loop. It's gonna run 1,000,000 times, and it's gonna run the query string. It's gonna send the query string to Workbench, MySQL Workbench, and MySQL Workbench is gonna convert it to MySQL. So that's it. I know I'm a very bad engineer, but this is what came up to my mind. It took me around 20 minutes to take it to this size. So if you have a better idea, let me know. So here we have the MySQL database. Now we will create a dump file. Dump file is the backup of MySQL. So this is it, MySQL dump file. I'm writing this command in the server. I have that database. So MySQL dump user, my username, then I'll give the password, then write the database name, then this, then I'll create the dump file in MySQL. So this is my password, and it is creating the dump file. I'll wait while it finishes. In the meantime, I'm gonna briefly describe what happened. So I started a business, and that's why I stopped making videos and didn't have enough time, and I concentrated on my studies. So you guys know I'm studying in Northside University Computer Science and Engineering, and I'm trying to get good grades because I want to do my PhD in the near future, and I'm pretty sure my teacher is listening to it. So sir, I'm sorry for making you listen to all of this. So I'm gonna, you know, fast forward it. Oh, I don't need to, it's done. So this is the file. It's a dumb MySQL dump file. It's 268 point something. I'm not sure what's the size of it. So now I'll have to write a cron job, right? This is what you do to write your cron job. You just write cron tab.e and enter. So I am gonna use nano because I like nano. Then I want to run this script at 4 a.m. Let me look at the version. Okay, so I will do it at 4 a.m. Okay, so then I'm gonna write the user. They're gonna be 3 stars, 1 star, 1 star, 1 star, because I don't want to. Okay, so the command is very simple. The first one is the minute, this one is hours, this asterisk is date of the month, this is the number of month, this is the date of week, day of week, or something like that. Then comes user. The user is Saqib, and the SQL command is this. I'm gonna hide my password for sure, so good luck. To write this thing out, I am going to so I think this is it. How do I test it though? This is it. I hope you like this, and if you have any more questions about this, feel free to email me or write a comment down in the comment section, and I'll get back to you. I always do. And visit my website. I redesigned my website, so this is my website. I think you'll like it. It's pretty simple. I'll start writing blogs more. I'll probably write a blog about this if you have better ideas of how I should make my website. So that's that. So thank you so much for watching my videos. Drop a like if you think it's good, and thank you so much in-game sir, Nabil Mohammed sir, for making me do this video. So bye.